Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Was ChatGPT able to predict the price of XRP and Cardano for the month of October? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month, and then the following month we see if it was right, see if it was wrong. The end of November ended up being quite a wild ride, so let's take a look at the results. Alright, if we take a look at the guess right here, the price when we started the guess was 61 cents, the bullish guess if everything went right was 85 cents, the standard guess was 70 cents, and the bearish guess was 55 cents, the range 50 cents to 60 cents. If we take a look, yes, we were indeed around 61 cents, however, we kinda ended around 38 cents. So it was a way swing and a miss, not even close. ChatGPT was unable to predict the price of Cardano for the month of November. All right, now it's time to take a look at XRP. How did ChatGPT do? If we take a look at the bearish guess, it guessed $2.20, range 215 to 225. The exact guess was $2.48, range 243 and 253. And the bullish guess was $2.75, range 270 to 280. Official guess and bullish guess are off the table, instantly wrong. If we take a look at the bearish guess, depending on the range, we might be close because it did kind of drop hard last night. At the beginning of the month, you were sitting at around $2.50. If we take a look over at the end of the month, so if we take a look right at midnight, it was around $2.03. So again, ChatGPT missed the mark by a decent amount if we take a look. So unfortunately, this month, ChatGPT swing and a miss. Month of October did okay. It kind of got the bearish guess correct, but this month completely whiffed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. It seemed like when things were going good and the bull market was fully swinging and everything was going up, the guesses were pretty on point, pretty close. Now that the markets have been in full retreat, fully bearish, to be honest with you, it's been having some trouble with these guesses. Do you think ChatGPT will have the ability to regain its predictions, or, I mean, it's AI, it's probably going to be wrong, right? Maybe? I don't know. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.